Welcome to this lecture on advanced custom aggregation functions. In the previous lecture, we explored how to define basic custom aggregation functions. Now we'll take it a step further by introducing more complex logic such as calculating percentages or ratios for group data. Before getting into examples, let's talk about what makes custom functions advanced. When it comes to advanced custom aggregation functions, they allow us to 1. Perform multi-step calculations such as ratios or percentages, 2. Leverage additional context or conditions within groups, 3. Handle specific business logic that built-in functions cannot address. For example, let's calculate the percentage of completed sales for each sale rep ID, which means we have to divide sales status equal to completed count by total sales and then multiply by 100. Then we'll get completed sales percentage, and we have to do this for each sale rep ID. Let's break down the logic, then we'll take it further. First, let me actually say sales by rep 8 equal to Toyota sales data, then dot query sale rep underscore ID double equal to 8. Now let me run this. Let me preview the data here. You can see there are 258 rows, which means by sale rep ID there are 258 sales. Now let me actually say of sale status. You can see the result here. When it comes to this, it is nothing but series. Now the total number is nothing but 258. You can actually say len of sales rep ID of sales status. You can see it have written 258. Now if you say sum of sales rep ID sales status double equal to completed, it will get us the completed sales count, which is nothing but 181. Now if I divide 181 with 258 and multiply by 100 for sale rep ID, I will be able to get completed sales percentage. This is what we are going to take care for each sale rep ID. For that, we will be coming up with custom aggregation function. Now let's define a custom function that takes the sales status series for each group and computes the percentage of completed sales. The logic will be something like this. Let me say def, then let me give the name for the function as completed sales percentage. Let me say sale underscore status underscore series. Then I should be able to say total underscore sales equal to len of sale underscore status underscore series. Then completed sales equal to sale underscore then status underscore series double equal to completed. Either you can pass this to some function or you can invoke some function on top of this. Let me say sum. Even this one will work without any issues. Then we should be able to say return completed sales divided by total sales multiplied by 100. Now let me run this. It have ran successfully. You should be able to use this, and then you should be able to pass this series. The series is nothing but sales by rep underscore 8. Then sale underscore status. Keep in mind sales by rep 8 is the data frame. One of the columns in the data frame is nothing but sales status. This will actually return the series. So we are passing series to this function. Now let's run this. You can see the outcome. The completed sales percentage for sale rep 8 is nothing but 70. The total sales is nothing but 258. Completed sales is nothing but 181. 181 divided by 258 multiplied by 100 gives us this number. If you wanted to round, you can round it off and then you can take it further. Probably you might have to use round function like this. Then we can specify the decimals. Let me say comma 2. Now let me run this and then let me run this. You can see the decimals are rounded off to 2. The actual completed sales percentage for sale rep 8 is nothing but 70.16. Now let's use this to compute completed sales percentage for each sale rep ID. For that purpose, we can come up with a logic like this. We can say Toyota sales data, then group by sale underscore rep underscore ID, then sale underscore status, then ag. As part of the ag, I can say total underscore sales equal to count completed percentage equal to custom function completed sales percentage. Now let me run this. You can see the outcome as per the expectations. For each sale rep ID, we are not only able to see total sales, we are also able to see completed percentage sales. When it comes to the completed sales percentage function, which is nothing but this one, we are calculating the total and completed sales for each sale rep ID, then group using the sales status column. Then we are computing the percentage of completed sales. Here we can combine this custom function with other metrics for a more comprehensive analysis. Let's calculate total sale amount for each sale rep ID, also percentage of completed sales with our custom function. We should be able to come up with logic like this. Let me say Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then group by sale underscore rep underscore ID, then ag. Here I can say total underscore sales equal to sale underscore amount, then sum. We are computing total sales using sale amount as the field, sum as the function, then completed sales underscore PCT equal to sale underscore status, then the function. The function is nothing but completed sales percentage. Now let me run this. You can see the outcome. Here we are not only seeing completed sales percentage, we are also seeing total sales. In case if you wanted to get a count, you can also get the count. For that purpose, you should be able to say count sales equal to sale underscore rep underscore ID, then comma count, then comma, then completed sales percentage with the tuple where the first element in the tuple is nothing but column, the second element is nothing but the custom function. Now let's run this. You can see the outcome. We are not only seeing the total sale amount for each sale rep ID, we are also seeing total sale count and also completed sales percentage. Here the custom completed sales percentage function is applied alongside the built-in sum as well as count function. Keep in mind the sum function is applied on sale amount and count function is applied on sale rep ID. It results in a data frame with 3 metrics for each sale representative. That being said, let's recap what we have learned in this lecture. We have defined advanced custom functions for multi-step calculations. We have passed specific columns as series to custom functions using ag. Then we have combined custom functions with built-in aggregations for comprehensive metrics. That being said, great work. In this lecture, you learned how to implement advanced custom functions for grouped data. In the next lecture, we'll move on to adding and updating columns to enrich your dataset with derived metrics. See you there.